There goes in second, Young in third.
Oh, God.
See the 26 was standing out there.
Plus 35 to stage at. First call was 65-85, 7-11, 85-13 to 15. Race number 4. You should be in stage at.
I got pictures of it. He come out of the hole over there. He didn't light up at all when he went into that turn.
What are those?
5, 6 o'clock. I take it.
You reckon he's feeling pretty good right now? He's pretty fine. He's way down. I told him, I said, I walked up right before he started, I said,
still at the 26 machine, continuing to lead, Shelton.
There's
Young out in front in the plus 30, Eckers out in front in the 80 to 100. Plus 35, you should be on the line, 65-85, 7 to 12, 85 13 to 15, you should be in stage A.
what? He probably won. You could be out there on your TTO.
Yeah.
He red.
Oh my good, get it up, Josh. Get it up.
Where's he at?
He's in the curve. Go, go. Okay, good.
Hey,
woo!
Got that electric start on it.
That's right.
I'll still be kicking mine.
I know.
I want to probably kick the one time.
Didn't hurt. There goes his sponsor. No, he didn't turn over. I mean, he didn't even get hurt. He turned over.
I told you to That's not a wreck.
That wasn't a wreck. That was
more of a slide. It was probably slick in that curve.
He breaks his wrist again. That's a wreck.
Yeah.
His tire is covered. They pulled up the middle like
Saw that. I know.
white flag.
I thought it was
That looked
3 laps.
sideways right there, didn't it? Yeah, I tell you, when he took off, he was just fishtailing the big time.
Hey, Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Is that Golden guy clearing the...
Huh?
Is that Golden guy clearing the double?
So will this be exactly his race?
spot.
I don't think so. Will this be the people he's racing against in the race?
I'm going to Shelton.
He ain't got a little, he's either got comfortable or he's got a little, he's not doing any chances
Stick it
now.
on the front of the middle. See why Josh's tires are covered with mud like that.
All of them are, man.
No, they're not.
Yes, it
I
is.
can see the tread on those. You think it's bad tires?
No.
They're not going to
Look at
be.
these tires.
Scary. What's that white flag mean?
That's it.
Last lap.
Last lap.
This is the last lap.
No.
There's one more after this one.
White flag is out. 1 to go for the 16 machine of Akers, Shelton, and Young. Shelton out front, the 26 machine because of the white flag. 1 to go. Plus 35. Be on the line. 65.
Plus 35.
85.
You know what's funny, Josh is the only one that's turned
They got a plus 45. Oh, did they? Yeah. I might get it out. So you race anybody on the plus 35? I guess, so I could run like that with a 50 or a 450. You could get on Josh's bike, but I could get on Kobe's. I'd be scared.
I am scared.
That one lap I took around Snow Creek, I mean, on that Kawasaki. He's done really good with those jumps. What are they at?
Man, Lynchburg right here.
That's a long way from Lynchburg. Who is?
You think it would make it to the race?
Who? Yeah, I mean, it's going to be... What time is it? It'll be 8 o'clock before Josh runs easy.
He is pretty good.
Who you talking to, Lori?
Yeah, trying to text him. Come on. Your phone. Lori's in Lynchburg on her birthday.
What do you want to do?
Who we play is this?
Text her and tell her to try to come up here if they have time. Just say try to come to Birch Creek and text Patty too.
Yeah, just want to type.
I can't get it. I can't get your phone.
You can't touch it from the screen.
Won't ever do it.
Right, look. Touch your ladder.
He doesn't do it. Just say try to come to Birch Creek.
That lady on that moved that camper to 7. There you go.
Got
it. That lady that moved her camper to 17.